Yesterday we completed our research on our Kentucky symbols, so now we are going to start to create the Google slide presentation for our Kentucky symbols. So next to this video there's a link to my drive to get us there quicker. Remember, you can also go up to the waffle and click on my drive, but to make it a little quicker, I put a link just like I did when we did Google Docs. So you're going to go to New, the little plus sign up here, and this time we're not going to Google Docs, we're going to Google Slides. It looks like a little yellow box. Once I am in that, the first thing I'm going to see is a title slide. So my title would be Kentucky. I'm going to abbreviate it capital KY because that's the abbreviation for Kentucky. If you want to write it all the way out, that's fine. But remember, Kentucky starts with a capital K. Kentucky symbols. And then where it says click to add subtitle, that's going to be my name because this is my presentation. Over here on the side, you see themes. This is basically changing like your background design. So you see different choices here. I'm going to choose this one. You don't have to pick that one. If I want to change it later, I also have theme right here. If I exit that out, it's gone. But then if I want to change it, that pops back up. So if I don't want to do a theme right now, just want to get my information in, that's fine. If I decide later I don't like that theme, I can go back and change it. But you are being graded that you have a theme as part of your presentation, because just plain white is really kind of boring and doesn't look visually appealing. And a PowerPoint or a Google Slides presentation is all about visually showing people the information that you are trying to teach them. It's not really intended on being printed out. It's intended to be shown. So now I want to add a new slide. So I have a little plus sign right here. If I click that little plus sign, it adds a slide. Now I don't want that slide. I wanted a different type of slide. There is a little arrow right here where you can see the different types of slides. And if it's the wrong one, I can even right click and just change it. So I'm just going to change mine. I want the title and body one. Now that I have that set, when I add a new slide, it should just be that one. So now I'm going to add the title of this slide. So state tree. And then I would type down here what the state tree is, which tulip, if I can spell, poplar. Okay. So now I can move slides around and just click and drag them. If I have a slide that I don't need, I can click on it and hit delete or backspace on my keyboard and it's gone. I can also right click and hit delete. There are multiple ways to get rid of that information. So I'm going to continue to add my slides for each piece of information that I have. So if I was doing the flag, I would put flag or Kentucky state flag if I want to make it a more complete title. Adopted, and I would put the year. And then the next video is going to tell us how to add the images. So right now we are just getting the information that we gathered yesterday put on to our slides.